So here we are with the pioneers of software in India, which deals with VFX and animation. So let us talk to them. Hi, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Samit Chetty. I am the Senior Solution Specialist with Autodesk India. And Autodesk is a 3D software company.
Could you just explain us a little bit about what all is going on in the screen?
So this is an AI-based animation software which Autodesk recently acquired. It's called as Wonder Dynamics. Now, on the other booths, if you can see, people do motion capture using multiple cameras, multiple sensors and things like that.
My last question to you will be about Waves. So how instrumental has this platform been? Because we are seeing a lot of participants from all across the world. India is getting to showcase some really amazing products to the market and to the creators as well. So what do you have to say about the summit?
Awesome. This summit is a great step towards collaboration because we had a lot of summits only for VFX, only for sound, only for editing and all. But this is one collaborative summit which brings everyone together. We get to meet people who are not from VFX industry, people from editing, cameras and all this industry. So it's a great move, and we've seen a lot of students who are very enthused to see what's happening and how they can grow their career. The big directors who have come here to share their knowledge and experiences, and that's going to be wonderful. We are looking forward for a lot of more such events in the future. This event is going to grow big time for sure. And this is a platform which was much needed. That's one thing. Secondly, the entire world is looking at India as a global content industry. PM Modi said that India is a country full of stories. So we are all storytellers and we know how to deliver stories. So I think this is the right time where content creators will get the right kind of support from the government. Earlier they were all on their own, funding themselves on their own and finding technicians. This is a prime place where they can find, collaborate and create more content with support of each other. Thank you so much.